Hello, I'm doing my exam number 8 on Unix lab. So this is my first experiment, vi phase 81.c. In this program, we just created two header files, and within the main function, we declare seconds, minute, hour, and we just created parent process using this function get PID function, and this we want to initialize the seconds. So as the seconds has been stored, we use the fork function so that in order to check PID is equal to 0, so it gets printed with the child class and the parent class by using get PID function. So hour has been calculated by seconds by 3600, and the minute has been calculated by seconds modulus 3600 divided by 60, and the minute then the second has been checked by minute divided by minute modulus 60 divided by 60. So it has been printed with hour, minute, and second. Then it goes for a sleep for 2 seconds. So let's go to the output. So enter the seconds, 45 seconds. Then you will get the parent class as done by. So let's go back to the second one, vi space 82.c. In this program, we initialize, we declare the necessary header files, and inside the main function we created, we assign I and j, where j is assigned to the value 0, and a parent class has been created. The string has been created and stored in str, and the string length has been checked, and using fork function, we have to check whether PID is equal to 0. If it is 0, then the child class and the parent ID will work using the get PID function. Using the loop, we check whether the whether the given string is being reversed or not. If we check else, if we check whether the using the fork function, we have to check whether it is a parent ROM or not. Using the fork function, if PID 1 is equal to 0, then child class and parent ID is will work on the function on get PID function, and we using the loop in order to check and compare with both the string whether it is equal to 0, then it is a palindrome, or else it is not a palindrome. Then it goes for sleep for 5 seconds. So here goes the output, enter the string. So it checked the string length has been given as Nayan, and it check reverse has been also been Malayalam, and the palindrome is given as it's a palindrome. And let's go to the next program, 83.c. You use the necessary header files, and inside the main function it checks whether we have to enter the parent class where PID function has been used. We have to enter the digit, so that we have to check, and it is been initialized to it is being stored in n, and using the fork function, we have to check whether PID is equal to 0. If it is like process B has been created, so parent ID and child has been done by get PID function. We initialize f is equal to 1, and a loop has been created. It check whether the given it is a factorial or not, using this function where we given as f is initialized to the value 1, and I has been initialized to the value 1, and the fork function has been created, and uh, it checked whether it is a factorial or not. Again, the fork function has been created to check whether it is the given series is a Fibonacci series. So it check whether where PID is equal to 0. Then parent class and child class has been created where it is initialized B is equal to 0 and C is equal to 0, C is equal to 1. So it get printed over it using this function where x minus 2 less than 0, b is equal to b plus c, where it has been stored in d. Check whether b is equal to c and c equal to d. Then x has been decremented x minus minus, else it will go back to the sleep. Another function has been created so that using for function two parents has been created to check whether the given it is an Armstrong number or not, using using this function. We have made the risk as assigned to the value 0 using while condition whether not is equal to 0. So r is equal to on modulus 10, so r plus gives r into r into r. So in order to check whether r reserve is equal to n, then it's a Armstrong number, or else it's not an Armstrong number. To check it's an prime number or it's not a prime number, it's a for loop has been used, and then it check whether it is a prime number or not a prime number, using the for loop. If n percentage 1 is equal to 0 c plus plus, then it's a prime number, or if it is not equal to 2, then it's not a prime number. Process has been created. So in order to check, it is being reversed using this function where a is equal to n and e is equal to a and r is equal to 0, where while e is greater than 0, then mo e modulus 10 and reverse into 10 plus mo, where e is divided by 10. So the given it's a reverse. Then it goes for the sleep for 5. So we will back to the output. So here goes my output. So integer 4 has been integer, so it check whether it is a factorial, so it's 24, and it check whether it is a Fibonacci series. It shows that 0 1 1 2, then 4 is not an Armstrong number and 4 is not a prime number, and 4 the reverse of 4 is 4. So this ends my example number 8. Thank you.